Hey, hello guys, thank you for tuning in Techie Nets. Today we are going to discuss about Windows Update. So what is Windows Update? And is it mandatory or not? And is it important for your laptop? And if you don't use Windows Update, is there anything going to happen to your laptop? How to use it? And what are the features? What are the options available in Windows Update? So all this we are going to discuss in today's video. So come on guys, let's begin. Before that, if you haven't subscribed my channel, please do subscribe, click on the bell icon, like, share and comment. Before getting into how Windows Update work, let's discuss on what is Windows Update. Okay, so Microsoft has released its operating system to end users for consumption, like Windows 7, Windows 10 or Windows 11. So let's assume they develop this operating system and release it to the end users. Okay, so now not all the operating system, not all the softwares are 100% working or 100% bug free. There would be few issues, few quality issues, few bugs that would be prevailing in the operating system. So how to fix these bugs? So there is a team in Microsoft who work on these kind of issues. Month on month, they will identify all the bugs that is available in the current running software or operating system, and they will also see what all qualities we can enhance in this operating system. Basically, Windows updates are released in second Tuesday of every month. This is usually known as patch Tuesdays. Okay, so let's not get into deep on that. So this is what Windows update, guys. It gives the patches, quality fixes, security fixes to your operating systems. Now, so what's a patch update? What's a quality update? So as I said, there are chances, even though the operating system is tested and deployed, tested and given to the end users, there are chances that there might be some bugs, there might be some security risks. So in our world, the ransomware attack, all these attacks are growing, and those technology are growing very wide, where our computers are in risk. So Microsoft works on these updates. There are basically three updates. So one is quality updates, or you can say patch updates. The quality updates or patch updates mainly concentrate on the security updates in the devices, or fixing any bugs which are identified in the device. So these are quality updates, which basically concentrate on patches, bug fixes and security update. The second type of update is driver update. So drivers are something interlink, a bridge between your operating system and the hardware you're using. So keeping your driver up to date enhances your performance of the laptop, enhances user experience. So the second type of update is known driver update, which like display drivers, audio drivers, Wi-Fi drivers, LAN drivers, etc. And the third type of update is known as feature update. So what is a feature update? Let's assume, so as I said, quality updates concentrate on patches, bug fixes, security enhancement and stuff. Feature update is nothing but, so I am having a Windows operating system. I'm not going to give a new version, however I'm going to update few features in the existing operating system. Maybe I'm going to change a UI, the user interface of the operating system, or I'm going to add 2-3 options here and there, or I'm going to make a little change on how particular application works. These are known as feature updates. Basically Microsoft releases feature update, was releasing twice a year when it was Windows 10. Now from this year they are going to release only once a year. So usually the first release will be coming by somewhere around April, and the second release will be coming somewhere around September or October. From this year, it's going to be only one feature update per year. So these are the three types of updates, guys. It is quality updates, patches, bug fixes, driver updates, updates all the drivers, and then feature update. Here, quality update will be released in every second Tuesday of the month. Driver update, it depends upon the OEM. OEM means the manufacturer of your laptop, be it HP or Lenovo. And feature update, from this year it's going to be once in a year. Till last year it was twice in a year. Now as we understood what is Windows update and what it's going to do to your machine, the next question is it important? If you ask me this question, I would say yes, Windows update is important. It enhances the security. If you don't update your Windows patches or quality fixes more than a year, right, there are high risk that your computer can be attacked by any malware. Okay, and also if you don't update the drivers, you can't find that quality. When for example, let's take display driver. When you're seeing a movie or when you're playing a game, you can't find that qualities. There are really bugs. There would be bugs in those drivers. So only when you do a driver update, those bugs would be fixed, and the user experience and your experience with the laptop or operating system would be enhanced. Okay, so Windows update is important. It will keep your computer safe, it will keep your computers up to the performance, and also enhances the experience. Now, where I can access Windows update, how I can do that, I'm going to show you. So you can go to search, type Windows update settings. So I have actually paused my Windows update. So there is an option to pause. So if you see here, there is option to pause updates. You cannot disable Windows updates, just that you can pause the updates for 5 weeks. As of now, the highest timeline you can pause the update is 5 weeks. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm just going to click on resume updates. So once I do this, Windows will connect to the server. There is a server known as WS server. Okay, this server is responsible to provide updates to all the Windows running devices. So this laptop connects to that server, and it determines what all updates that has to be installed in this device. Okay, so as you're seeing, the updates are automatically downloading, and once the download is done, it goes to pending install. So if you see, there is an update for .NET framework, which is something very important to run your operating system, and we have two updates related to HP. So these HP updates are mostly drivers because I'm using a HP laptop. And there is one more cumulative update which enhances the security of your laptop. And we have a display driver update from NVIDIA. This is not from Microsoft, it is coming from NVIDIA. And also we have a cumulative update for another cumulative update for Windows 11. These cumulative updates mostly fixes the bugs, enhances the security, makes your computer safe. So before I go ahead and install, I will show you a few options. So update history will show you what all KBs you have updates, or what all updates have been installed in your machine so far. So in case if you face any issues, you can come back here and see. So if you see here, previously I had Windows 10 and I updated to Windows 11 few months back. So these updates are available here, and some advanced options are there. So you know, when you update the Windows operating system, it will go for a restart. So what time you can fix for the restart, and what is your busier time, what is your free time, all these options are available here. You can set it out here. And Windows Insider programs. So Windows Insider programs, nothing but if you join this program, even before the updates or features are getting released to end users, it will be released to you to check and give feedback to Microsoft. So now all my updates are installed. I'm waiting for one more update to download and install. So what I will do now, I will restart the device and I will show you what this window looks after you have installed all the successful updates. Okay, so now that we have successfully installed all the updates and the device is also restarted, and now if you see the Windows update page, it's the message you see is you're up to date. Okay, the last checked time is 12:29 p.m. and there is no more updates to be installed. So now my computer is safe and sound. So even if I click for check for updates, it's going to say that all updates are installed and it is up to date. So my conclusion is, guys, Windows Update is a very important feature in your laptop. It keeps your laptop safe and sound and up to date. I hope this video would have helped you. Until I meet you in the next video, it's bye from TechieNets. Thank you.